Hello everyone. As the season of forms and admissions roll in, it's just about time for our students to start getting in their work mode. So, today I will guide you on filling admission form. Requirement for student registration. All students are needed to have registered mobile numbers and valid email IDs for creating a registration profile. Required document. Required documents are Aadhaar card, student photo, signature, mark sheets, and school leaving certificate. Document resizing. We recommend that you keep documents ready under 200 kilobytes with help of image resizer app software, which would be required to upload documents. Student register. Click on Login button, which would lead you to a Student Register tab. Student registration page. You will find yourself having to enter a few details such as your name, email ID, mobile number, date of birth, and password. To finish this up, enter the required CAPTCHA and hit the Click to Register button. Registration ID. You will receive an OTP and registration ID with password on your registered number. Student verify the OTP. Enter the mobile number, OTP, and CAPTCHA code, then hit on Click to Verify button. Student login page. Enter the mobile number, OTP, and CAPTCHA code, then hit on Click to Verify button. Application form. Now, click on Admission tab and choose Application Form subsection. Choosing graduation. Here, choose your designated UG or PG section. And once again, click on Continue. Choosing course. Choose your own course from the drop-down list and move on ahead. General information. You will be required to fill in some general information such as admission type, division type, and fee. Category. Upon filling these in, click on Save and Continue. Student information. You will be led to the student information page, the place which requires your own information. Student information. Fill up all required fields and hit Save and Continue button. Parents information. You will now reach the parents information page, where you will be asked to fill in your father's name, mother's name, parents' address, their mobile numbers. Again, once done, press on Save and Continue. Guardian's information. Here, enter guardian's information and continue. Parents' occupation. Now, enter parents' occupation details and continue with me. Last year's detail information. Now, you will land upon a last year detail page. Here, enter your demanded details such as last attended class, name of the last attended institute, university name, last qualifying examination with year and month, and last exam percentage. When you successfully do so, click on Save and Continue. Current year information. Select other activities and if pursuing professional courses from drop-down list. Concession information. You now have arrived at Concession information page, where you have to provide your bank details, parents' annual income, whether or not you fall under the creamy category, and information regarding the below poverty line policies. Once done, again, click on Save and Continue. Passport information. The passport information page will now greet you, where you will either enter the required details from your documents or click on the Click if not applicable button, which will be present on your screen. Subject information. Now you will arrive at the subject information page. Here, choose the subject medium, then proceed to select the subject group and finally press the Save and Continue button once again. Subject confirmation message. Go through your finalized subjects here and then hit the Click to Confirm Selected Subjects button. Upload required document. You will now be on an Upload Document page. Here, attach your documents that are required by the college and click on Save and Continue button. Here, please remember to keep in mind that the attached documents must not cross 200 kilobytes. Previous educational qualification details. You will have been led to the previous educational qualification details page, where you to enter details regarding your previous qualifying exam along with its month and year, obtained marks and grade, and institute or university name. Once again, when done, click on Save and Continue. Photo and signature upload. Now, the photo and signature upload page will be loaded on your screen for you to attach your picture and signature documents and then proceed to click Continue. Print out and download documents. Lastly, you will find yourself at the printout and download document page, where you will also find a message confirming your admission form submission. Click on the Download Admission Form button here to download your final form. Payment mode. Students are required to pay the fees either through online banking, UPI payments, debit card, or through credit cards within a given time frame, in the absence of which the form would be cancelled. We hope our article helped you to see how easy it can be with the right guidance. Thank you.